I made over $280,100 from just one digital product. And no, this wasn't luck, and it definitely wasn't magic. In this video, I'll break down exactly what I created, how I sold it, and which platforms helped me scale to six figures and beyond. By the end of this video, you'll know how to start your own profitable digital product, even if you have zero tech skills and zero audience. Welcome to CoinCrafts, the place where we turn simple digital ideas into real, repeatable income. So let's start with the product. What exactly did I sell? It was a bundle, a digital ebook paired with ready-to-use templates. Think things like Sanua kits for social media, content calendars, and branded graphics made for small businesses. Why did it work? Reason number one, it solves a real problem. Small business owners are constantly short on time. They don't want to design every Instagram post from scratch or worry about captions that convert. Reason number two, the topic is evergreen. That means it's always in demand, year after year, regardless of trends. And reason number three, digital delivery. I didn't have to worry about inventory, packaging, or shipping delays. As soon as someone bought the product, it was in their inbox within seconds. Digital equals scalable, simple as that. Now, let me show you how I created the product with tools that you can use too. Tool number one, Sanua. I used it to design every template in the bundle. You don't need to be a graphic designer to make beautiful products. Sanua has thousands of templates that are drag and drop ready. Tool number two, ChatGPT. That's right, I used artificial intelligence to help write the ebook, generate sales copy, and even brainstorm bonus ideas for the bundle. Tool number three, Google Docs. I organized my content there, reviewed everything, and prepped the layout before finalizing. And finally, tool number four, PDF Escape. I used this to make the PDFs fillable and interactive. So instead of just reading, customers could type directly into the documents and personalize them. From start to finish, the entire product took me less than 1 week to create. Let's talk about how I actually sold it. I used 3 platforms to launch the product. Platform number one, Gumroad. This was my main store. It's beginner-friendly, plain, and lets you host your digital products in minutes. Gumroad also has a built-in affiliate feature, which helped with growth later on. Platform number two, Etsy. Yet the same site, where people sell handmade crafts, is also home to millions of digital downloads. I listed my templates there, and they started showing up in Etsy searches. Platform number three, Payo. This one's great for international customers and offers flexible pricing options. I used it as a backup store, just in case someone had trouble checking out elsewhere. But here's the real secret: marketing. I didn't just post and hope. I created short TikTok videos and Instagram reels, showing people exactly how the templates worked. I did behind-the-scenes looks, time-lapse edits, and data in the live content. Then, I offered a limited-time freebie, a mini template pack in exchange for email addresses. That built my list fast. And finally, I pinned images on Pinterest, using keywords people were already searching for. That strategy alone brought in sales, even while I was asleep. Pro tip: bundle related items together. A planner, plus a social media calendar, feels like more value, and it increases your average order size. Okay, let's talk numbers. Here's how this one product scaled to over $280,000 in sales. First, I launched an affiliate program. With Gumroad's built-in system, I allow others to promote my bundle and earn a percentage for every sale. Some affiliates had small but engaged audiences, and that helped drive momentum early on. Second, I made the product evergreen. That means I didn't need to update it every month or keep adding features. Once it was done, it was done. Third, I automated everything. I connected my email list to MailerLite, set up the welcome sequence, and let the funnel run on its own. I wrote the emails once and they kept working. Now for the milestones. I made my first $1,000 in about 3 weeks. I hit $10,000 by the end of month 2. By month 7, I had passed the $100,000 mark. And as of this recording, total sales, over $280,100 from one product, with no warehouse, no team, Just systems? Want to launch your own digital product, but don't know where to start? Here are 5 hot selling ideas you can build today. Number 1. Notion templates. People are obsessed with organizing their lives, their goals, and their workspaces using Notion. Number 2. Wedding planners. From guest lists to budgets, newly engaged couples are looking for organized tools to keep things on track. Number 3. Study guides or cheat sheets. If you're good at math, science, or languages, there's a student out there who needs help. Number 4. Budget trackers. Personal finance is always a hot niche. Design a colorful, fillable tracker, and you've got something valuable. Number 5. AI prompt packs. With ChatGPT booming, users are constantly searching for prompt ideas to boost productivity. Need inspiration? Head to Etsy and type digital download into the search bar. Check out Creative Market, or scroll TikTok for trends on passive income and printables. If there's one thing I've learned, it's this: digital products are the future, and if I can build something from scratch, with free tools and no special experience, so can you. If this video helped or inspired you, hit that like button. It helps more creators find this kind of content. Drop a comment and let me know what product idea you're thinking about. And if you want weekly content just like this, subscribe to Coin Crafts and join our digital maker community.